Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're keeping well and safe. It is finally spring and the weather is getting warmer. So today I am back with my April beauty box unboxing with Glossybox. This month's box is giving me sustainability themes and it's called Bloom and Grow. So let's unbox this. These are all the products I have received. As usual, we have the digital magazine on this QR code, so let's scan this. So we have the note from the editor, and then it goes on to tell us the story behind the box, and it gives us a full reveal of all the product, giving us a bit more details. Then it just goes on to have further information like how we can use the scalp brush and what's coming up next. The note from the editor this month states, give your beauty routines a breath of fresh air and celebrate the new season with our April Bloom and Grow edit. Whilst nature gently blossoms, let our well-rounded product selection inside this month's box fuel your beauty roots with inspiration and allow you to flourish into something beautiful. We can't wait to brighten up your spring with cosmetics, skincare and more. Love, Team Glossy. And then we have the story behind the box, and it states, Bloom and Grow. With our April edition, you'll really blossom. While nature celebrates its radiant comeback, now is the perfect time to let ourselves grow and flourish. Allow yourself the time to get back to your beauty roots and let nature inspire you with the product inside our April box. Because with enough time and patience, we can all grow into something beautiful. We can't wait to see you and your beauty conscious grow. And then we have the full reveal of all the products we will receive. So, first we have the Christopher Robin Cleansing and Purifying Scrub, which is 40ml and it's worth £9. So this is a scalp scrub which purifies and exfoliates your hair, and we have received this in a previous beauty box and I do use it every fortnight, and I must say it is one of the best hair exfoliators out there. Next we have the Brushwork Scalp Massager, which is worth £7.95. So this is a scalp massager which is supposed to be used alongside shampooing or exfoliating your scalp. So it's made from plastic on the outside, and then the tooth combs are made out of silicone, and after you've shampooed or once you've applied your shampoo on, you just use it in circular motion onto your scalp and it kind of massages and exfoliates your scalp whilst cleaning it at the same time. You've got to be gentle with it because you don't want to damage the roots of your hair, and honestly this is the best hair investment I've had since last year. I have one and I use it every single time I shampoo my hair, and you can pair it with this, so once you've applied some of this into your hair, use this to massage and it works wonders. It gives your hair such a clean feeling, it is unbelievable. Then we have the Beautaniq Beauty Great Length Mascara, which is £18 and 8 grams. So I've never used mascara, but it's supposed to thicken and lengthen your natural lashes while conditioning them. The next product was a choice between the Beauty Crop Avocado Primer and the Nails Ink Nail Polish. And I have received the Nails Ink Nail Colour in Mayfair Lane, which is worth £11. This nail polish is from Nails Ink and it's supposed to give you a glossy finish, and it is like this light pink, French pink natural nail colour, which I'm pretty sure will look nice for a daily use. And the last product was a choice between 3 options. It was either the Heart Cleansing Pads, the Wipeout Swipe Pads and the Frank Body Look a Dip. And I received the Frank Body Look a Dip, which is worth £4.95. So this is a body sleep scrub and soak, so you can have it soaked in the bathtub whilst using it as an exfoliator on your skin. On the back it kind of gives us some instructions on how to use it, and it's also got like the crescent and star here, which kind of indicates it might have lavender, given that it's got like a nighttime theme to it. Let me just have a quick look here. Yeah, so it does have lavender oil, almond oil, flower oil, grapeseed oil, so it's got plenty of oils here which will help you relax and soothe in the bath. So these are all the products I have received this month, and this brings me to the end of my unboxing. I did a quick calculation on how much the products are worth and I come to a sum of £50.90. Most of the products I have received I have used before and I absolutely love them. Some of them are new, such as the mascara. If you guys are a subscriber yourself, I'd love to hear what you have received in comparison. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share some love, and hopefully I shall see you guys in my next tutorial. Take care for now. Bye!